हाय गाइस। क्या आप जानते हैं कि आपको अपने जीवन में कौन सी चीज़ है जो आपको हमेशा रोक देती है सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए, प्रॉस्परस होने के लिए और अबंडेंट होने के लिए? वेल, दैट वन थिंग इज़ that I have come out to know after my years of experience is conformity. Yes, it's conformity. कंफॉर्मिटी का मतलब क्या होता है? समझते हैं इस चीज़ को। कंफॉर्मिटी का मतलब होता है कि कुछ सेट ऑफ माइंड्स ने, सोसाइटी के कुछ लोगों ने, जैसे कि पेरेंट्स या टीचर्स या जितने भी सोसाइटी के जो लोग हैं, उन्होंने ये धारणा बना रखी है अपने माइंड में कि जिस तरीके से हमने चीज़ों को कोई किया है वही नेक्स्ट जनरेशन वैसे ही करेगा। Somehow conformity is around teenagers, around 20s aged people, around 30s, around 40s. It is prevalent everywhere. Now, the people who actually succeed in their life, who become prosperous, who achieve their goals, they are the ones who do not conform to things in their surroundings. These people are independent thinkers. If you are a person of like that, you are an independent thinker, you believe in your own in things, you believe in your own thoughts, and you are someone who is an authentic person, and you like to be yourself, you are enjoying to be in your authentic power, then you are not a conformist at all, and that's a great sign. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आप कंफॉर्मिटी से बाहर निकलें, तो आपको बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप भेड़ चाल से बाहर निकल जाइए। जितना आप भेड़ चाल का हिस्सा बनेंगे, उतना आप कंफॉर्मिटी के दलदल में आ जाएंगे। तो अभी हमारे लिए, हमारी लड़कियों के लिए, हमारी गर्ल्स, इंडिया में जितनी भी बेटियां हैं, उनके लिए आप कंफॉर्मिटी को तोड़ दीजिए। ब्रेक कंफॉर्मिटी। कंफॉर्मिटी में रहने से कुछ भी नहीं मिलता आपको। सप्रेशन, फियर, वरी, domestic abuse and domestic violence, threatening, and your life is over. If you live in this kind of conformity, uh, you will not be able to grow. I also break my conformity, and I do not believe in conformity. I actually believe in progressive life. I believe in advancement. I believe in ambition. I believe in goals. I believe in being myself. And I believe to be my highest potential, truest expression ever. I believe in doing the things that I love to do. And most important is that having your own self respect and self esteem. When you have the confidence of being yourself and you are totally okay with who you are, with what's going on with the society, you are okay with who you are authentically. That is real self respect. सो लेट मी टेल यू, ये जो कंफॉर्मिटी है इसको ब्रेक करना बहुत, मतलब इट्स समवेयर सिंपल बट इट्स नॉट ईजी। तो मैं आपको शेयर करती हूँ कि कंफॉर्मिटी को आप कैसे ब्रेक करेंगे। सबसे पहली चीज़, आपके पास अपने बिलीव्स होने चाहिए, other than what the society has to say, other than what the family and the relatives have to say. You've got to have your own independent beliefs right here. You've got to be an independent thinking person. You've got to be a person who has a charisma of your own thinking, a spark of your own belief, a core values, everything. You should have that. Second, taking a stand on the doing the right thing. That is also important. If you can take a stand, अगर आप stand ले सकते हैं on doing the right thing, that will also keep you out from conformity. The third thing is being yourself all the time. You are not gonna be compromising in your life for petty things. You're just gonna experience progress. You will experience growth. You will experience success. And for that, you have to break conformity. You've got to get out from the herd mentality. You will not be following the people with average mindsets. You will not be following the people who have never succeeded in their life. You're going to be following those people, or you're going to be like believing those people who have made something significant in their life, right? So conformity is like being out from the herd mentality and believing in what you believe in is right for you. And when you do certain actions which are good for yourself and for the society also, that is going to create a major impact, a major significance in the giving the right contribution to people. I have been through this thing called as conformity. I have been through this in the time of when I was in my 20s, from my late 20s, approximately from 27 years of age, 25. Then after that, I have witnessed conformity. I have seen gender discrimination. I have seen how people discriminate between a girl child and a boy child. A boy is given more freedom, a girl is not. The boys are given the assets, the girls are not. The girls are not even given the right to even profess their profession. And that is what I have seen, and that's what I have experienced in my past. So, however, the past doesn't control me anymore. I am a person of my own spirit. I became an entrepreneur, I became a coach, I became an inspirational speaker, and I am doing fantastic in my own life. So this is what I really want to say to all the girls, specifically जो इंडिया में बेटियां हैं, हमारी जो गर्ल्स हैं, उन लोगों के लिए मेरा एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज है कि प्लीज़, अगर आपके अराउंड भी कंफॉर्मिटी है, छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए कंफॉर्मिटी होती है, इन एवरीथिंग यू गॉट टू ब्रेक दैट. You will not be following that. If you follow the conformity, it just spreads around to other girls. It just keeps on going on to people, to person to person to person to person. But we've got to break the conformity. We've got to stop being stereotyped. We have to stop being rigid in things, because life itself is flexible. Life, it demands changes. Everything is based on the law of change. So there, it cannot be stereotyping, there cannot be conformity around girls. लड़कियों के लिए स्पेसिफिकली मैं कहती हूँ कि आप कंफॉर्मिटी को तोड़ दीजिए, ग्लास सीलिंग इफेक्ट को तोड़ दीजिए, जहाँ पे लड़कियों को प्रॉस्पर नहीं करने दिया जाता, या we are like living in a patriarchal system and the men are always the dominating figures. We've got to be our own economy. We've got to be our own financial minister. That's what I believe in. I mean, we've got to be our own financial minister. And जब हम अपनी लाइफ का कंट्रोल, अपने डिसीजन मेकिंग हमेशा अपने हाथ में जब लेंगे ना, तो कंफॉर्मिटी टूट जाती है. दिस इज़ व्हाट आई हैव रियली लर्न फ्रॉम माय ओन लाइफ ऑल्सो, दैट जब हम अपनी लाइफ की डिसीजन मेकिंग अपने हाथ में ले लेते हैं, व्हेन वी आर टोटली अकाउंटेबल टू आवरसेल्फ इन ऑल द एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ आवर लाइफ, you will understand that you will become a better person. And breaking the conformity is something which takes a lot of courage. It will take courage. So build courage in you. Have the guts to speak up. Have the guts to speak the truth. Be truthful. Being in truth is your own dharma. If you are defying from the truth, you are defying from your own soul. So be truthful and follow the voice of your truth, follow the voice of your soul, your heart, and you will be out from conformity. See, when I started my journey, it was not easy. No, it was not, because I chose to travel on a different path. And everyone in my family, everyone in the relatives, they all were making fun of me, and they never wanted me to become an entrepreneur. They never wanted to see me become prosperous. They always wanted that this girl should, after an MBA, she should be just married and she should be thrown away to somebody else. That's what I have experienced. and that's what was happening to me when I was in my middle 20s, in my late 20s. I realized this, that I am being thrown into conformity. And then I realized that this is the time, Madhuri, you've got to take a decision now. Either you're gonna fulfill this, what you want to become, or either you're gonna be in the society of conformity. And trust me, I made a very, very tough choice. But I'm very glad that the choice that I made was correct. And for us with my life, I think I finally became an entrepreneur. I became the coach, and I am helping so many other people. This feeling is really incredible for me. I'm really, really thankful to God to choose me as an instrument for serving, for helping people, and for giving the teaching. कंफर्मिटी को ब्रेक करना इजी नहीं होता है, उसके लिए करेज चाहिए होती है, एंड यू गॉट टू हैव द करेज. करेज है आपके अंदर, सबके अंदर है. अगर करेज है आपके अंदर तो कंफर्मिटी टूट जाएगी. You're not supposed to follow what everybody else is doing. You've got to be your own self. You've got to have your own path. Even when I was in the industry, I still followed my own voice. I had the guts to speak what was right, for the right thing to do. I used to speak the right thing to do even in the HR industry. But when I spoke the truth, people hated that. But that's all right. But today, becoming the CEO and the founder of Revolutionize HRs, that is the best ever feeling I can ever tell in front of people. That yes, if you break the conformity, there's something great gonna happen in your life. Something great, something amazing is waiting for you. It's just about breaking the conformity. I broke the conformity on marriage also. I was being thrown into unwanted marriage at the time of my late 20s and my middle 20s, specifically after an MBA, and I had no clue that this is going to happen with me. I really didn't have any clue that this is what the family and the relatives will do with me. So when I realized this is happening, I got to be really, really uh, tough and be a strong decision maker. And now I take all the decisions for myself. I do not allow any relatives or anyone to get into my life. I do not allow anyone. I will only allow one person, and that would be my chosen life partner. I would only and only have him in my life with equal, sharing and equal level of giving and contributing to each other. Other than that, I do not involve anyone else in my life to tell me what to do and tell me what is right and what is wrong. Whenever it comes to conformity को तोड़ देने में बहुत समझदारी है, क्योंकि conformity हर जगह पर है. Everybody will say to you that नहीं नहीं आपसे नहीं होगा, girls are not meant to do all of these things, they are not meant to become CEOs, they are not meant to become higher ambitions, they are always meant to do the kitchen things. So these are all rubbish conformities. We can take care of the family and the home and the kitchen and the food, and we can do our own professions also. So we can take care absolutely 360 degree. We don't need your ass advices to be conforming to the society. We don't need that. And I am very, very strict with conformity. I do not believe in this, and I really do not want to ever get this to the next generation, specifically my generations. No way. No way. Conformity is thrown out of the doors of my life and of my maybe future family. I will be keeping conformity out, because I believe in full exploration of life. I believe in the advancement. I believe in the progress. I believe that your soul needs to evolve and express out yourself fully. I believe in that. And that is what is important to do when you are on planet Earth. दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग टू डू. सो कन्फॉर्मिटी को ब्रेक कर दीजिए, कन्फॉर्मिटी को मत फॉलो करिए. लोग तो बोलते ही रहते हैं, क्या कहेंगे लोग मत सोचिए, कुछ नहीं होता. लोग तो बोलते ही हैं, लोगों का तो काम ही है बोलना, कुछ नहीं होता उससे. कन्फॉर्मिटी को ब्रेक कर दीजिए एंड बी समवन ऑफ योर ओन बिलीफ. When you are an authentic person and your authentic self starts contributing your soul, this is when you will realize that you are an amazing, amazing masterpiece. Because I realized that when I was, uncovering, discovering all the powers and the miracles of myself, I discovered all of that. And I know that the game is on when you break conformity. Yes, you have to break conformity. You don't have to be a part of the herd mentality. You don't have to be a part of the crowd. You don't have to imitate anyone else. You just gotta be you. You just gotta be you. You don't have to be a yes man or a yes ma'am person. You've got to be you. You've got to have your own common sense. You've got to have your own intuition. You've got to use your own brain powers. You've got to have your own way of expressing things. I believe in uniqueness. I believe in speaking the truth, and I will say that every time, every time. I believe in doing the right thing, and I am a non-conformist. I do not believe in conformity. I broke conformity every single time whenever it came in front of me, and I will keep breaking that. I do not believe in any kind of conformity. And I really want to say to all the girls out there, you don't have to believe in conformity. You don't have to be like everybody else. You don't have to be according to what the society is saying. You don't have to be like that. But yes, there is some kind of dignity and poise and a respect and equality that we all live by. And I believe in living in equality and living in the grace of things. तो ये सब चीज़ें जो कन्फॉर्मिटी है, ये हमारे सोसाइटी में जो पुरानी सोच के लोग बैठे हुए हैं, रूढ़िवादी सोच के लोग जो बैठे हुए हैं, इन्होंने बनाई है ये. और ये जब तक ज़िंदा रहेंगे तब तक ये कन्फॉर्मिटी अपने माइंड में रखेंगे. तो इनकी कन्फॉर्मिटी के साथ हमें चलना ही नहीं है. हम कन्फॉर्मिटी को तोड़ने वाले लोग हैं, कन्फॉर्मिटी को फॉलो करना ही नहीं है. और आप भी, जितनी भी गर्ल्स मुझे सुन रही हैं, जितनी भी लेडीज़ मुझे सुन रही हैं, आप भी कन्फॉर्मिटी को तोड़ दीजिए एंड बिकम समवन हु इज़ एन अमेजिंग ब्राइट लाइट एंड कंट्रीब्यूटर टू पीपल्स लाइव्स. कुछ ऐसा करिए, कुछ ऐसा बन जाइए जिससे आपके जीवन में भी बहुत ही बड़ा परिवर्तन आ जाए. काम तो करना पड़ेगा आपको, आपको मेहनत तो करनी ही है. बिना उसको किए तो कुछ भी मिलता नहीं है. कर्म तो करना ही है, मेहनत भी करनी है, हार्ड वर्क भी है, स्मार्ट वर्क भी है, एवरीथिंग गोज बिहाइंड. येट जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट आप इस दुनिया में किस लिए आए हो, आपका क्या पर्पस है, आप क्या देने के लिए आए हैं इस वर्ल्ड में. what is that you are supposed to be giving to the world, what is it that you feel happy about it. इस चीज़ को आप फिगर आउट कर लीजिए. and when you figure out what you are here to do, what you're here to give, that will immediately help you to find out your own purpose. आपको ये समझ में आ जाएगा and then you can start doing it. So आज के लिए इतना ही. conformity को break कर दीजिए and you will find amazing miracles. See you next time.